Hi, I'm Paula Doyle. I'm in my studio today and I'm going to show you about the June Taylor Shape Cut Ruler. A lot of people have this ruler or have seen this ruler, so I wanted to give you some tips on how to use it easily. Just to let you know, it's a ruler that has a little teardrop shape and a slit every half an inch. This is the original Shape Cut ruler, and it has a 12-inch gap here from here to here. So you can cut up to 12 inches wide of fabric. A lot of people benefit from the fact that although there's these little holes in here, they might want to use a little marking device. So I usually calibrate my rulers. I'm going to calibrate this ruler for 1.5 inch wide strips. And what I do is I take either a piece of tape or a stationary dot, and I'm going to position that here at the base every 1.5 inches next to the teardrop shape. So now I have a little marking at every 1.5 inches, and I'm going to show you how I would cut strips and other shapes using this ruler. So if I want to cut 1.5 inch wide strips, I can have several layers of fabric. Here I just have one piece of fabric that's been folded in half, and I'm just going to position that fabric underneath the ruler so that I line up one of the lines of the ruler with that fold. And now all I would need to do to cut 1.5 inch wide strips is to insert my rotary blade into the teardrop shape and then simply cut up along the slit. And so you can see that you can cut multiple strips that easily with this ruler. So here you see I've just cut myself 4 1.5 inch wide strips of fabric using the shape cut. I could also cut that down, say, into 1.5 inch squares if I wanted to, just by positioning the strip underneath the ruler and cutting that up into 1.5 inch squares. What the stationary dots or the little pieces of tape help you do is that you don't have to count. All you need to do is to put your rotary blade into the slit next to your little marking device, like that. And you see, just like that, I've cut up all those squares of fabric. I could also calibrate the ruler for each side, having each of the sides having a different calibration. So here, as I showed you, I've calibrated this ruler for 1.5 inches, whereas on this side, I've calibrated this side just putting a little piece of tape every 2.5 inches. So if I wanted to cut the 2.5 inch wide strips, I could do that as well. So one straightening cut, and then straight to the teardrop shape that I have marked, and I've got as many 2.5 inch wide strips as I would want to cut. The shape cut ruler, the original shape cut ruler, is this one, which is the 12-inch ruler. There are also, June Taylor does another variety of thing. This is one called a fringe cut, which does roughly the same job. Again, the slits are every 1/2 inch, but there's only a 6-inch wide gap. So this is a really useful one, for example, when you're subcutting the strips. There are lots of other ones. There are ones with 1/4 inch marking, so there's a little slit every 1/4 inch. There are much larger ones available too. But I just wanted to show you that, and hopefully this way you can see how useful this ruler could be to you.